Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 5008 Allure. This car comes with a really good specification. You've got a DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 devices. You can also use this USB connection for MirrorLink, which is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've also got dual zone climate control, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, and front and rear parking aids, and that does include a rear colour camera. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. Here at Howard's, we are happy to tailor your experience depending on your current requirements, whether that be a virtual appointment, using our Howard's Click and Collect service or our Howard's Home Delivery, or if you would prefer a traditional appointment where we do have all of our social distancing measures in place. We look forward to hearing from you shortly. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.